Few weeks back I had told you that gold has seen a double top on the monthly charts and it is looking forward to a drop, and specifically below this zone at 1800 we can see it hitting 1700 to 1670, which is a very strong support. It has precisely dropped below 1700 but closed above the levels, failing to sustain below. Now what is going to happen in next few weeks or few months? See, there are further more targets. If it continues to trade below 1670, it may hit 1600, 1500 and then 1400 levels. These are the long term support zone which it may try to achieve before it looks forward to a rise. But when it will happen, how long it will take, that we need to see. But in next few months, few weeks, we may see it hitting those levels. So be watchful, be targets. But what is going to happen next week? How we can make profit trading gold next week? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. In the end, I'll give you the trading strategy for next week. Do not forget to watch till the end. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Those who are new to the channel, let me share. I provide my daily analysis on gold. In fact, twice a day, once with the Asia session and next with the US cash session, along with other markets and commodities. You can watch those analysis, including silver, crude oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE, Germany, Nifty. You can watch those analysis well. Let's start the day. This is the monthly charts. Let's begin with first with the daily charts. Now this is on the daily charts. You can find, see, consolidation and a drop here. See, failed to sustain beyond 1745. Also look at this. This is the consolidation zone in which it is traded. This is the breakout candle. Last candle, in fact the last trade day for last week, we have seen it giving you higher lows, indicating it is not willing to sustain below 1700 levels. However, it failed to rise also and almost ended in a close to doji formation here. But remember, on the upside, in between 1735 and 1745, these two levels you have to watch out for. This is going to be the next consolidation zone, and if it continues to trade above 1720 next week, you can expect it to hit 1735 and 1740 zone, which is going to be the next resistance. Only breaking 1745, I will expect it to act bullish and expect it to reverse more till towards 1760 and 1780 levels. Else, till the time it trades below this zone, we may still expect it to reverse from there. But this is just on the daily charts. You can observe this here, that only one candle and diminishing bearishness, indicative that probably it may consolidate a bit before taking a direction. Let's have a more detailed look on 4-hour charts here. Now look at this on the 4-hour charts. See, first this is the consolidation zone, but with a bearish bias, a reversal and then a sharp drop. And look at this. See, every candle has its meaning. You can find out it is an expanding bearish triangle and it is getting the support here at 1700. See, first consolidation here. The next consolidation is right now going on the 4-hour charts. We can see it trading very much within this range. So one probability that if it trades below 1698, go short. That should be considered a breakout. Below 1698, I will be bearish for the next week and I'll expect it to drop till towards first resistance at 1692, then 1680 and 1670. If it breaks below 1670, further more bearishness will come and then we can expect it to continue to drop and it is going to fall till towards 1640. However, we will see with the help of indicators, because most of the indicators in gold are oversold, especially RSI, which is trading well below oversold levels. So we have to be watchful. I will come back to the indicators, but right now on the chart it appears that probably it may consolidate a bit or else give a breakout here. Any move beyond 1720 here, go long there. Rather, I will say yes, 1720 is a good level to go long. Then I will be looking out for 1724, 1735, 1745 levels. You be watchful of this zone. This is on the 4-hour charts. Now let's have a more detailed look on the weekly chart. See, on the weekly charts, I told you, see, this is the support here, 1670, 1680 levels. Multiple times it has got the support on multiple candles, again trying to come back to this level. But any breakout below this will definitely bring more bearishness in gold's movement. However, look at the near term time and see, here is the bearish move which started, a bigger bearish candle. Look at the last week's candle size. It is precisely half the size of the previous candle, indicative that the bearishness is diminishing and probably it may give you a reversal candle. And what could be those reversal candles? See, achieving the highs at around 1750, the lows at around 1670, it may end up in doji, and then a reversal can be expected. This is one expectation, that it may try to give you that candle, but there are multiple reversal candles which it can show. Largely I'll expect it to swing next week. It may break on the downside, that is also very much possible. But one thing is for sure, a reversal has to happen because the bearishness is diminishing and the indicators are oversold. So be cautious. Any good long entry is beyond 1745 levels where it can sustain. If it sustains above 1745, you can expect 1760, 1780 levels. So as I had told, 70 till, even if you have taken a long entry at 1720 till 1745, you have to be cautious. And on the downside, as you can see, 1700 levels should provide a good support. You can go short at 1698. However, there is a nearby support at 1680 and 1670 levels. Also, as I told earlier, that see, this was the channel in which it was trading earlier. It has come out of this just below 1800 levels. I told you below 1800 we may see a good fall, and that is what precisely is happening right now. Now it is looking forward to this support levels, and it can bounce back from a little from those levels. This is one observation. Coming back to the monthly candles, on the monthly charts, as we had seen, it is looking forward to getting support from this level in this month of July. It may try to break this zone. If it breaks this, we may see it sliding strongly, and this time the slide can be further sharp, which may bring it till towards 1600, the next target. And in fact, it can break below those levels till towards 1500 and 1400 levels. Any positional long should be held only with a strict stop loss or with a hedged position. Unless it is above 1800, I will not recommend to keep holding your long position. So at least hedge it, or at least keep the position locked such that you can gain from the bearish move. And as I said, below 1670 1680 zone we may see it falling strongly, and the next target is towards 1600, and in fact it can slide well below those levels. At the same time, if it sustains above 1700, I'll be looking forward to see this zone here at 1760 1780 is going to be the next resistance zone. It has to pass beyond this zone in order to sustain some bullishness. Any move beyond 1800 definitely should be considered as a bullish indication. We have seen the 4-hour charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators out. See, indicators on the 4-hour charts, it is trading near to the bottom of the Bollinger Band, the median lying here at around 1720, and that is why I say yes, you can go long at 1720, then look forward to 1732-33 zone, and then 1745 levels. These two levels, if it sustains beyond, we can expect it to bounce back strongly. The directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. The stochastic is looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge here. Right now it is bearish. It is trying to converge and crossover for a bullish move. The RSI near to bottom looking upwards, indicative of probably it may show you some bullishness. Now look at the daily charts, very important. On the daily charts too, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands and the downtrend channel, which may provide a strong support. And look at this. This is the 20 period simple moving average, exponential moving average, and volume weighted moving average, all coming together here at around 1760 to 1780 zone. And this, as I said, is going to be the next important resistance zone, which may be a very good resistance for gold to pass by. If it trades above this 1800 and then 1820 levels, you have to be watchful of, which for in near future I probably expect that it may trade below these levels. That is my expectation. On the upside, 100 period moving average lying well far beyond it, 1860 17 levels. So right now it is trading below bearish. It is trading bearish with below 200 days, 100 days, 50 days, 20 days simple exponential and volume weighted moving average. Also look at the directional movement is bearish, trying to converge a bit. Stochastic is again curving towards a crossover and willing to drop more, but be watchful. Right now it is still in a comfortable zone. The MACD is wide, divergent and bearish. It is still bearish. You can see these levels in gold on the daily charts is a rare phenomena. This was in way back in 2021. Year back almost, when it has achieved those levels, trading oversold right now. But if it can sustain overbought levels, there is no harm in trading or sustaining oversold levels yet. Yes, you can expect those to continue. Now let's have a look at the Also, let's have a look at the RSI on the daily charts. See, RSI on the daily charts, again this is a rare phenomena. It is trading oversold, and whenever it is traded oversold, it is shown a good reversal. This time again it is trading oversold, possibly a reversal or bounce back or a retracement can be expected. A rare phenomena here on gold, which is, see, this was the time in 2018 2017 when it has dropped well below those levels, sustained those levels, and then bounced back and recovered sharply. Again this time you can see this is trading oversold here, and then hence a probable consolidation and then a bounce back can be expected. Now this is on the daily charts. On the weekly charts, if you look at similarly on the weekly charts, you will find it is trading outside the Bollinger Bands here, indicating that probably it may get a pullback. Strong resistance zone at 1850 levels and then 1880 levels exist. I don't see it breaking beyond those zones, beyond those levels soon or in near future. Directional movement is wide divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold. Whenever we have seen gold hitting oversold zones, it has always bounced back a little. Again, we can expect that it may bounce back a little. Directional movement is wide divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the monthly charts, on the monthly charts, it is trading below the 20 months average at 1800 and now looking forward to this zone at 1600. And in fact, as I told, a long-term average at 1400, which it may try to achieve before it looks forward to any rise. Also, if you look at the directional movement is willing for a crossover after multiple months, almost after 4 years, 3 years, it is trying to cross for a sell off. Right now it is bullish, and I expect that it may cross over once before it looks forward to a bounce back. And if you look at the stochastic here, this is oversold, and whenever we have seen it trading oversold on the monthly charts, it is always bounced back. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish, indicating more bearishness. RSI is looking downwards. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Now let me give you the trading strategy for next week. And before I give you the trading strategy and trading levels, if you want to gain the same expertise and understanding of the markets, you can join my mentorship batch. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get, and definitely it will help you become a profitable and a proficient trader. The strategies taught will definitely be helpful. So reach out to me for more details on it. The 15th batch is going to be announced soon. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. Now, next week, first thing, if you see it trading beyond 1720, go long. This is the level to go long. Beyond this, my next target is 1732 and then 1737, 1745. Be watchful of 1745 and 1732 zone. This is going to be a important resistance zone for gold. If it sustains beyond this, sustaining beyond 1745, I will expect it to hit 1758, 1771 and then 1780. Till here it has got very strong resistance. It can bounce back, but that should not be considered a reversal till the time it trades below 1800 and 1840 levels. Beyond 1780, again 1791 and 1800. Be watchful of 1800. Again, very strong resistance zone. However, for next week, I expect that it may try to swing a bit. 1745 levels you have to definitely be cautious of. Remember, it is oversold, so it can swing a bit and then bounce or drop up sharply and then bounce back a bit to cool off the indicator. That is one possibility that it may try to act like. Now on the downside, any short entry, go short at 1698. Below 1698, see very nearby resistance at 1692. I had told you several times. 1680 is the next target, and then 1666 levels. If it trades below this, you can expect it to hit 1650 and then 1630 levels. Remember, yes, if it continues to drop below 1600 is the next target which it has to achieve. It may act bearish for a couple of weeks, achieve those levels and then a bounce back. These are markets, anything is possible, but one thing is in our hands. If you enter a trade and if you see it in green, you have to put your stop loss at cost and save your capital. This is one thing you can do. Second thing is you can close your positions at as soon as you see it in a desired profit, set a profit target or set the limits. Let's say if you see it achieving 1732 out of after 1720, almost $12 of move, and definitely if you capture those $12, definitely it is a good profit, and slowly and steadily you can accumulate your wealth. And at least if you see it trading in your direction, you can put your stop loss here, at least secure your $12. Similarly, adopt this similar practices and definitely you can profit. So trade accordingly, trade profitably. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.